Today we'll be installing the new EcoHitch part number X7490S on a Hyundai Ioniq 5. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving it a like and subscribing to the channel for any future installs. Starting off, remove the 3 screws in the wheel well, followed by the small screws that hold on the fender trim piece. Repeat on the opposite wheel well. The passenger side also has a plastic fastener to remove. Remove the 6 plastic fasteners along the bottom of the vehicle. Now open the rear hatch and use a pry tool to remove the tail light cover. Remove the 2 bolts, then pull the tail light rearward. Unplug the wire harness. Follow this process to remove the other tail light. Now remove the screw and 2 fasteners on each side of the bumper. Next, begin to remove the bumper by gently pulling on the fender trim. Carefully remove the bumper. Disconnect the wiring harness behind the bumper. Remove the bolts holding on the factory rear crossmember. Use a pry tool to disconnect the wiring harness. Install your EcoHitch side plates by lifting them into position and securing with 3 bolts, lock washers, and flat washers. Leave hand tight for now. Lift the EcoHitch cross tube into position between the 2 side plates. Secure each hole with a bolt, lock washer, and nut. The top left bolt on the driver's side will be secured from the opposite direction using a bolt and flange nut. Torque down the hardware, beginning with the cross tube. followed by the side plates. Trim your bumper following the guidelines in the instructions. Reconnect the wiring harness. Reinstall the factory crossmember over the EcoHitch. We put some painter's tape over the fenders to prevent scratching during the next step. Lift the bumper up and reconnect the wiring. Snap the bumper back into place, followed by the fender trim. Reinstall the tail lights. Reinstall the hardware in each wheel well. Finally, reinstall the plastic fasteners along the bottom of the vehicle. Your EcoHitch installation is now complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torque products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.